Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your public IP address. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. In the search bar, simply type the phrase "What is my IP?" and press enter. The very first result, often at the top of the page, will clearly show your public IP address. This is the quickest and easiest method to find it without any special tools or software. Another straightforward way is to use a dedicated website designed for this purpose. Open your browser and navigate to a site such as .com or .com. These websites are built to automatically detect and display your public IP address as soon as you load the page. It's a reliable method that provides the information instantly, often with additional details about your network location. You can also find your public IP address by logging into your router's administration page. Open a browser and type your router's default gateway IP, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. After logging in, navigate to the WAN or Internet Status section. Your public IP will be listed there, alongside other connection details. Knowing your public IP address is useful for several reasons. For instance, if you need to set up remote access to a device on your home network, you'll need this address. It's also crucial for diagnosing network problems or configuring specific online services. Understanding your IP helps you manage your digital presence more effectively. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.